Hey guys, had another question about developing bad breath on a ketogenic program. Call it dragon breath, right? Well, it kind of smells like ammonia. Ammonia comes from nitrogen. Nitrogen comes from protein. So this is simply that the person is consuming too much protein. So all you have to do, lower your protein. Now, I recommend between 3 and 6 ounces of protein per meal. So if you have bad breath and you're at 6 ounces, go to 3 and it should clear right up. Okay, if you're doing 8, go down to 6. Just reduce your protein. Now, you may need to add more apple cider vinegar. So I have a product called Digest Formula that combines apple cider vinegar with betaine hydrochloride just to help someone digest more protein, because the symptom of undigested protein is gas, bloating, indigestion, and it could also lead to this problem right here. So, but if you're consuming a lot of protein, cut it down and this problem should go away. Another reason why it might not is because your kidneys or your liver need some improvement. Let's say they're malfunctioning and they're not optimum. You might want to focus on improving those. And there's different remedies that you can take. I'll put some links down below. But over time, when you do keto and intermittent fasting, that should improve kidney function. It should definitely improve liver function, especially if you're consuming enough vegetables. Okay? All right, thanks for watching. Hey, before you go, definitely sign up for my free keto course. I put a link down below. It's on Messenger and Facebook, but it will give you all the basics. It's very quick. It's like 3 or 4 videos, and it's free. Check it out.